Welcome to Chef Corner. This is Chef Murli from Courtyard Marriott, Chennai. Today we are going to see a chicken burrito. The ingredients are: take a mixing bowl and flour, salt and water. Make a soft dough. And sheet it. Cook in both sides. And meanwhile, take the non-stick pan, add olive oil, onion and chicken mince and cook until the chicken mince get cooked. Once it's 80% done, add tomato sauce, add the diced peppers, and once it's get finished, take a sheet and stuff the cooked minced chicken and roll it and cut it to two and serve it hot. This is your chicken burrito. Enjoy it.